A special order completed. Good morning. Welcome back to my workshop. And in today's video I'm packing a special order, some champagne and 2 glasses, a diary with a pen. Okay, so let me start packing. A journal or a diary, it's multi-purpose. A pen, Hardekool pen. A bookmark. And just a little something extra. Okay, let me close this up. There we go. Some champagne. Bottle is personalised. Happy 50th birthday. With 2 champagne glasses. And that's the lid. One successful order done. Love that. Amazing. Well, thanks for watching. Don't forget to follow. If you enjoy content like this, make sure to subscribe. And until the next time, all your arts and crafters out there, enjoy your crafting. Lekker lekker.